In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sticky notes in Whimsical. If you're someone who loves organizing ideas visually, Whimsical offers a really handy way to keep track of your thoughts using sticky notes. So let's dive right in and I'll walk you through this process step by step. First of all, you'll need to head over to the Whimsical website. You can easily find this by entering Whimsical's URL in your browser's address bar. Once you're there, look for the login page. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to sign up, but for today, let's assume you already have an account. When you reach the login page, you'll see an option to log in with Google. This feature simplifies your access by linking it to your existing Google account, so go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new window where you can select the Google account you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, just click on the one where your Whimsical account is associated. If you're prompted by Google for any permissions, just approve those, and you'll be seamlessly redirected back to Whimsical. Once you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your projects or boards. Find and click on the board or project where you'd like to add a sticky note. You should be familiar with the layout if you've used Whimsical before. If not, take a moment to explore. The layout is user-friendly, and navigating around will quickly become second nature. Now let's move on to adding that sticky note. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with various icons. Among these icons, look for the sticky note icon. It typically looks like a small square or rectangular note. Click on it, and with your mouse or trackpad, drag it onto your workspace. This action allows you to place your sticky note exactly where you want it. Once your sticky note is placed, you can start typing immediately. Whimsical is great for customization, so you can adjust the color, size, and orientation of your sticky note to best fit your visual plan. Feel free to play around with these options. Customization can help organize your ideas more clearly and effectively. And there you have it, you've successfully added a sticky note in Whimsical, and now you can go ahead and add as many as you like to map out your ideas or plan your projects. This tool is fantastic for visualization, so take advantage of its features to make your brainstorming as productive as possible. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials to keep your creative projects organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Whimsical.